Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can, where you can find the new items on the latest Dress to Impress update, the Valentine's update part 2. So if you go to the men's area, there will be a mesh top here that you can kind of adjust to your settings. You can also have it in the thick mode. And then again, you can also color it to different colors here. There's also these suspenders. There's no toggles, but I think it's pretty cool. They should add more items for the male body. Also, there is like a reworked item, which are these Mary Janes. I'm not a big fan. I'm not one for DTI slander, but the old one was better. There's also the reworked VIP dress, which, I mean, I like it, but I think it's too short that it shows like the underneath of it. Here, I'll show you in a minute when I take these off. Like you can see like the pants she wears, sorry. I don't know. It's cute, but yeah. Also, there's a new currency item, which is the Kissy Lips bodysuit, which I have here. Oh, I just favorited it. Okay. Looks like this. Super cute. Also, there's a new code item, which if you already have the item, you won't need to put it in again. It's the Sweetheart code. So you get this dress as well as this set over here. Again, if you already have it in your inventory, you won't need to insert the code again. Also, money, I think is still double the currency, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not sure, but gather it while you still can. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.